Logan.
Dirty.
Okay, got water. I'm with Logan. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. What is it?
Logan wurst.
Okay, Logan Wurst. You heard it from the man. Got out of school early. Stocking fish with the game commission. Oh, you're gonna take it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go with Logan.
I hope I don't throw myself. Oh, there's a fish.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Whoa. Okay, let's get him back in the water. Wait. Look at all these fish. Okay. Throw me in. Logan put a nice gold in here. Hey, Yon.
I think there's only
Couple
left.
Yeah, that's like a baby. That's like a baby rainbow in here.
This is a nice one and a teeny tiny one.
Oh, yeah. Nice one, a teeny tiny one. Is that thing leaking?
I just emptied the tank.
Oh. GoPhoto.com. You know that truck said. Ah, you're hiding from me, boy. I splashed me, boy. There's a tiny rainbow in here.
That's it, I believe.
Okay. Luckily, it's not like I don't have a change of clothes that I brought, but then you gotta get wet. And that means that somebody would wipe their hands on me. Oh. Yeah, that's a nice one. Just a couple of fish, just chilling. Now these fish are gonna join them. See it? Oh yeah, that's a big old one. Fish in the catch and release area here at Muncie Creek. I just caught one on a salmon egg pattern that I tied. Got this nice little rainbow trout.